Charles Joseph Chaplin was a Renoir painter born on June 8, 1825 in France. He is best known for his exquisite landscapes and genre paintings that captured the beauty of the French countryside during the 19th century. Chaplin's artistic talent and a unique style made him one of the prominent figures of the Barbizon School, a group of artists who revolutionized landscape paintings. Chaplin was born into a family of artists, and his passion for painting was evident from an early age. He received his formal education at the École des Beaux-Arts in Paris, where he honed his skill and developed a deep appreciation for nature. He was greatly influenced by the works of the Barbizon painters, particularly Theodore Rousseau and Jean Baptiste Climquart. During his early career, Chaplin focused on paintings landscapes often depicting scenes of forests, rivers, and meadows. His attention to detail and ability to capture the play of light and shadow brought his painting to life. Chaplin's works were characterized by their naturalistic approach and a scene of tranquility that evoked a deep connection with nature. In the 1850s, Chaplin ventured beyond landscapes and began exploring genre paintings depicting scenes from rural life. He captured the daily activities of patients, farmers, and villagers, showcasing their simple way of life with great sensitivity. These genre paintings brought Chaplin considerable success and established his reputation as a versatile artist. Chaplin planned paintings were exhibited at the prestigious Salon de Paris, where they received critical acclaim. His works were prized for their technical brilliance and emotional depth. He won numerous awards and medals, including a second class medal at the Exposition Universelle in 1855 and a first class medal in 1867. Despite his success, Chaplin remained humble and dedicated to his craft. He continued to travel extensively throughout France, seeking inspiration from different regions and capturing their unique landscapes. He often painted on plein air, working directly in nature to capture its essence and immediacy. Chaplin's artistic career spanned several decades and his work evolved over time. In the latter year of his life, he turned his attention to marine paintings, creating stunning seascapes that showcased his mastery of capturing the vastness and power of the ocean. Charles Josh Chaplin's contribution to the art world were significant. His paintings celebrated his beauty of the French countryside and offered a glimpse into the life of ordinary people. He played a vital role in the development of the Bardizon School and influenced a generation of landscapes and genre painters. His Chaplin work can be found in major museums and private collections worldwide. His legacy as a skilled painter and a master of capturing the essence of nature continues to inspire and resonate with art lovers round the globe. Charles Joshua Chaplin passed away on January 30, 1891, leaving behind a rich body of work that remains a testament of his talent and artistic vision.